What's up, everyone? Wanted to give you almost a minute of those incredible sounds produced by Big Fam. Check him out on Instagram, Big Swole 267. I believe that's what his Instagram is. That's my familia. Cause if you're watching this video, love you, man. I appreciate these jams. Let's keep them going, cause I'm gonna put them out there. So it's Tuesday. I'm at work right now. If I look over here, it looks like I'm in like Arizona. And if I look over here, it looks like I'm in Texas. I will grab the camera and rotate so you can see, but I'm not gonna do that. I hope everybody's doing good today. I'm happy. And at the same time, I'm like not happy. And it's only because I installed on the cleanest daily driven SS1LE the brand new Rotofab cold air intake with the sound to delete. I installed that yesterday and I recorded, and after watching what I recorded this morning, I was just like, you know what, I'm not putting that on the channel. Shout out to people that put up videos that has like more than one GoPro or more than one camera that can just start syncing their videos. That's coming. That's definitely coming. But last night, oh my goodness, man, I was tired for one because I just did a long road trip. It's a total of 18 hours from one area to the next. I didn't do it all by myself. I had a really good friend of mine, older brother, business colleague. He helped me with the drive. He helped me with getting everything packed up. Shout out to him because he may watch this video as well. You know who you are, man. I thank God for you, and I'm glad that we are brothers in Christ like we are. So shout out to you. Thank you very much. So getting back to yesterday, so I was tired. I went to work, that's where I'm at right now. I'm at work, even though I'm sitting in this vehicle. This is my office away from the office. So worked yesterday, regular shift, left work, went to the tax office to go ahead and get the registration papers for the cleanest daily driven SS so I can get my plates. I hope you guys love my plates because I should be picking those up tomorrow. Anyhow, I didn't go to my youngest football practice that was his first football practice with the other team because I was so tired. So I was just like, okay, I want to go ahead and do the install on my car with that cold air intake. So that's what I did. And it took me, honestly, it took me about, I want to say an hour and 45 minutes to install it. Like, I don't know why it took me so long, but I do know why, because I was tired. Oh my goodness, if you could see the anticipation of getting it installed and then holding the camera at different angles and like explaining to you guys and you gals how to do this. This is how you do this. This is what you're supposed to do here. You know what? I was just like, it took a lot of time. And so a 30-minute install went up to about an hour 45. My son went to practice and he came back. By the time my son and my wife got back, I was finished, and it shouldn't have took that long. So anyway, have the cold air intake installed on the car. I think I may have one clip of the vehicle starting after it was installed. I don't even know if I do or not. If I do, it'll be on this video or it'll be on the next one. So it's on the car. The car, in my opinion, the car drives like differently now. Like, I don't know, maybe the cold air intake from the factory like truly restricted a lot of the airflow that comes in, but the car runs a little bit different. almost want to say like you could feel more horsepower. And all we're talking about is a cold air intake. We're not talking headers, we're not talking exhaust, we're not talking any type of blower. We're talking about a simple cold air intake that was installed by me, professionally installed the right way with the directions. I got it on there, and after I installed it, I took it out for a spin, maybe 10-15 minute drive, and when I first cranked it up, you could hear the air just sucking through the Rotofab housing into the intake that's on my motor, and I was just like, oh yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I really wasn't hearing this before. You can definitely hear the difference. And of course I went with the sound tool delete, so I don't have that tube that comes from the front all the way back past the engine into my firewall. I took that out. So thank you for the design engineers at Rotofab. I appreciate it. I like the product. I will rate it right now a 5-star product. Now I'll do a review on it in a couple of weeks after I put some miles on it, and eventually, really soon, I'm taking my car to the shop where I'm going to get all my work done, and we're going to do a dyno. So too bad I couldn't get a before after with the Rotofab, but it's okay. All we're talking about is more air coming into the motor, and that's important. So pretty soon I'm going to take my car, I'm going to put it on the dyno, I'm going to get it tuned so everybody has the true numbers of the dyno after the Rotofab. And I know where my number is sitting up in my mind, but I don't like to be wrong. I am human and make mistakes, but I think I know exactly where it's going to be at. So very powerful car, very fast car. So anyway, I'm already at 8 minutes on this video. Stay tuned. There's a lot more to come. Life-changing events are about to happen, I believe. Life-changing events. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. This is Mr. Lee, Wild and Free, checking out.